Diva fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Diva fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Diva fam, that's what they call me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with the solar powered LED wall lights, and this is the company. I received these from Amazon. They are really nice because they are solar powered, so you don't need no batteries or plugs, which is really nice. Once it hits night, you know that your backyard will be nice and lit up, your deck. They're good if you have pets to let out at night. You could see them. They know where they're going. Everything you need is in the box. They do come with screws. If you don't want to use the screws or you don't want to put holes, they do come with two-way adhesive stickies, which I am going to use and keep the screws for backup. Before you put them up, just make sure you hit this little button on the back. And once it hits night, and they are all charged up from the sun, as you see, they are very bright. So I'm going to go ahead and put some on the back and in the front of my house, and I will be back to show you how beautiful they look. Stay tuned. Okay, as you see, I just put two right up in front of my two posts in front of my house. So it's keeping that nice and bright lit up. I'm going to go ahead, apply the rest of them to the back of my yard, and I will be back to show you how those look. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is how they are looking outside along my fence. Nice, bright. And it's keeping everything really nicely lit up. Don't have to worry about an electric bill. Like I said, plugs. No need for batteries. Definitely recommend these. I can't tell you how long they'll last. I guess it would depend on how much sun you get with them solar charged. I think they're supposed to last maybe 9 hours. So I'm not quite sure. I would have to get back to you on that. But I do recommend these. So check them out. I'll leave the link down below. Thanks for watching and have a beautiful, blessed, and safe rest of your day. Bye, guys.